Hello guys, thank you for being here. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, an amazing week. Today we're going to be doing lots of cleaning motivation and a huge decluttering video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And I have some huge news to share with you guys. It is something that's going to be life-changing. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on the news. While I'm cleaning, I'm just going to go ahead and take down the little Easter decor and spring touches I put out throughout the house. That way it is done and we just start with a clean space. Fine, I will be starting the decluttering. So I moved this drawer to my hallway just because we redid my daughter's room. We ended up decluttering in there. And this is all my 7-year-old's clothes in the hallway. She didn't want it in her toy room, so it's currently in the hallway, but there's just way too many clothes in there, so I have to declutter and just take out clothes she no longer wears or do not fit her. Let me know down in the comments, how often do you guys declutter your clothing for your kids? Are you like me and just try and do it at least once or twice a year, or do you do it more often, less often? Let me know down in the comments. So I actually took these bins from on top of my refrigerator. I'll be using them in this drawer since I think it'll look cute and match with the white. Eventually, I'm thinking of possibly painting the drawers white and just leaving the wood finish around it. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens in the future. Okay. Since I know my daughter's still in the stage where she likes to change multiple times throughout the day, depending on the activity that she's doing, let me know if you guys have kids like that. I just went ahead and simply just folded it and just separated it by her tops, dresses, bottom, short skirts, and her PJs down at the very bottom drawer. So that way it's easy for her to see. And now I just have to clean the rest of the hallway because I made a mess trying to declutter this. If you're a mom of toddlers, you will understand this. You are cleaning one room, you finish that one room, and you're like, yes, I get to go back to the living room where it's supposed to be clean, and then your little baby finds a crayon and decides to write all over the floor. Mom life. If you've made it this far, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys consider subscribing if you aren't already. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video or my next post. Check out my community tab. Bye, guys.